budget, we have been hearing what what India Inc. is expecting, but what is a common man expecting from the finance minister in terms of the education space? Well, our correspondent Sesa Sen did speak to students in Delhi to understand what they expect from Budget 2025. Listen in and tune in to what they have to say.
Hello and welcome to NDTV Profit. I'm Sesha Sen, and today we are here to deep dive into what our community expects from the upcoming budget, especially in the realm of education. As we know, it is the foundation of our future. So I'm joined by a few members of Delhi University, some students and some research scholars who are likely to shed their hopes and expectations from the upcoming budget. So first, let's get started. Thank you so much for joining. Can you tell us what is your expectation from the budget in terms of education? Also, can you introduce yourself first?
Yeah, so I'm Nipun and I'm a student of St. Stephen's College, Delhi University. So regarding the view of education, if I divide higher education and primary education, the government, both the allocations, even in primary and higher education funds, they are very low. As per the NEP, if I can remember it, it's 6%, and now it's like somewhere around 4%, which is way too low the margin. And secondly, I would say the issue of quality education, there are no regular audits, especially by CAG, which should be done. So I think there should be some mechanism of internal quality assessments or even external quality assessment for how the education is being implemented and how much inclusive it is.
Can you tell us what do you expect from the government in terms of education from the budget?
थैंक यू सो मच मैम. मेरा नाम हरीश कुमार है और मैं मनोविज्ञान से PhD कर रहा हूँ. तो मेरी सरकार से ये डिमांड है कि जो दिव्यांगजनों के सशक्तिकरण के लिए उनको स्पेशल एजुकेशन की जो सुविधा ज़्यादा मुहैया कराई जाए, और जो लिफ्ट की व्यवस्था है, जो रैंप की व्यवस्था है, वो जो दिव्यांगजनों के सशक्तिकरण के लिए उनको जो है बेहतर तरीके से उपलब्ध कराई जाए. और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जो बजट है ना विकलांगजनों के उत्थान के लिए, उनको सशक्तिकरण के लिए उस पर जो है व्यय किया जाए.
All right, sir. Thank you so much. Next, we have a research scholar with us. Sir, आप बताइए आपकी उम्मीद क्या है बजट से in terms of education?
Thank you, ma'am. Myself, Anwar Ahmed, and I am a research scholar at Law Faculty, Delhi University. मैम देखिए, हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं फंड एलोकेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू अवर GDP. तो हमारी GDP का जो अभी फंड एलोकेशन है एजुकेशन के लिए वो 4% है, और NEP जो 2020 है उसके अकॉर्डिंग 6% होना चाहिए. तो जो गैप है 2% का, इसको गवर्नमेंट को फिल करना चाहिए, ये हम उम्मीद करते हैं, जिससे हमारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और क्वालिटी एजुकेशन और बढ़ेगी. और हम यही उम्मीद करेंगे गवर्नमेंट से कि फ़ंड एलोकेशन बढ़ना चाहिए. और अभी जो क्वालिटी की हम बात कर रहे हैं, एजुकेशन की क्वालिटी उस लेवल तक नहीं पहुंची है. जो NEC की यहाँ टीम आती है, दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में भी हम देखते हैं, तो हमारा डिग्रेडेशन हो रहा है एजुकेशन का. तो इसको लेकर गवर्नमेंट को थोड़ा कॉन्शियस होना चाहिए, फ़ंड एलोकेशन इसको बढ़ाना चाहिए, और यही हम गवर्नमेंट से उम्मीद करेंगे आने वाले बजट में.
All right, sir. Thank you so much. Next, we have a member of the Executive Council of Delhi University. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, आप बताइए आपकी उम्मीद क्या है गवर्नमेंट से?
Myself, Aman Kumar. From government, we demand grant in aid, not HIFA loan. Government is providing HIFA loan. We want grant in aid. We have implemented NEP, 4-year graduation course. For that, there should be a vision for infrastructure expansion, teachers expansion, more teachers. They have not given any aid. In OBC expansion, we got a lot of money from the government and teaching post also. Till now, in NEP as well as EWS expansion, we have not got any grant in aid, nor any allocation of post. Now we need infrastructures. Till date, 3-year graduation course was going on. Now 4 years course will go, where the students will going to sit. Government should increase the budget of education, not HIFA loan. By HIFA loan, education will be costlier and the poor student will not be able to cope up with it. In greater autonomy, we have introduced 2 courses with 2 lakh fees. It's very difficult for a poor student to enroll it. As the Delhi University is 100-year-old university, we want grant in aid, and government should definitely increase the grant and avoid the HIFA loan.
Right, sir. Thank you so much. There you have it, a chorus of voices, and from increased funding to vocational training and accessible education, the message is clear that the government must focus on investing in the future of education and youth in the country.